Hey pals, and we are here at Disney's Coronado Springs, and we're gonna do a resort tour. And I'm so excited to show you this resort, as this is one of my favorite resorts, and it is a Disney moderate resort. They have rooms that sleep from anywhere from 2 adults up to 8. So come along, pals. So here is the playground area, and it is beside the dig site, which is the main pool. So you have a fun slide, all kinds of things for your kiddos to burn off some energy. If you're having a resort day, maybe this is your arrival day or departure day, or maybe you're just having a break day in between your park days. Great place for your kiddos just to burn off some energy. And there's some ping pong tables here. You'll also find the arcade right here and the bathrooms. Just a typical arcade. But you do have where you can use the rechargeable cards. So if you've been to a Disney resort before, you can keep that card and just reload it. And this is the main pool at the dig site. And they have this awesome slide right here. And they also have a kiddie pool right here. You also have Siesta's Cantina, and this is going to be your pool bar here at the main pool. I think this is real convenient. Outside the pool bar right here, they have a mug refill station where you can refill your resort mugs. I've not seen that at many other resorts. I really like that. Even where you can wash your mug. And that's right outside the main pool area and right beside the pool bar, right before you get to the restrooms. So we just left the dig side, which is where the main pool is, and we're gonna head over to the Ranchos buildings. So Ranchos is building 6 and 7, and it is going to be at the 3rd bus stop when you're headed to the park. You got fun theming out here. Looks like you're at the Alamo. Just fun theming. Makes you feel like you're in the desert. And this is building 6, and it is 2-story. We've actually stayed in this building before. I highly recommend to request a corner room because you get 2 windows with it, and it just makes the rooms feel a little bit larger. But this is so cute. So as we round the corner, we're over here at Rancho's building 6. You have one of the guest laundry buildings right here. So you have plenty of washers here, and it looks like it cost $3. And then you got plenty of dryers, more washers along this side, and also some dryers on the back wall. If you do need laundry detergent, there is some here. All right. So as you come out of the laundry service right there, we're gonna head down this way, and here's another one of the pool areas. And I love when the pools have these areas where you can sit along the edge. This is so fun. Just love that. And this area does have bathrooms, and Disney always has pool towels for you at the resorts. But this is over in the Rancho. And here is the resort map, and we have already been to the dig site. We came around this way, and we're over here in the Ranchos area. Now we're headed to the Cabanas, and that is building 8A. 8B and 8C. So let's go. And we made it to the cabana area. Now these rooms over here can sleep up to 4 adults. And here's the dig site again. So this is the backside entrance of the dig site. We'll go up here. Let you see it. But this goes into the backside of the main pool. So yeah, it goes into the backside of the pool where the slide entrance is. So the dig site is very easy to get to from all of the buildings. So they do have these hammocks out here along the beach area in the cabana. The cabana buildings are right behind us. You have the lake and then the Grand Destino Tower in front of us. We got a kiddo that's really enjoying it. Now wouldn't this just be the life on a beautiful sunny day to grab you a beverage of your choice and just lay back and relax. And you also have the bus stop parking area. And this is building 8B. And here is the pool area that is by the cabanas. This is by cabana 8C. So it's a nice little pool. I think I found some familiar faces here. So we have made it over to the tower, and the tower is the newest building. It was built in 2019 as an addition. So let's go check this out. I'm telling you, pals, it is going to be gorgeous. There are plenty of fun games over here. You got the giant chessboard and then a giant checkerboard over there. And then you have a fun little seating area where it looks like they have a bonfire at. A greenery space to let your kiddos run. I just love the stonework here. It's so pretty. And then you have all this seating area here. So pretty. It's a very gloomy day, but still beautiful. The tower is huge. I don't know if you can tell, but the Christmas tree is up. We'll go in and check it out. So we are in the lower level of the lobby in Barcelona Lounge. So pretty. Just so elegant. And right here is the menu for Barcelona Lounge for breakfast bites. And now we are heading to the elevators, and you can also see some of the recreational activities here. The arcade, the playground, jogging trail. Oh, it's also touchscreen. So you can see park hours, if there's any events going on. Also the restaurants. The shops.
Well, we have to press the floor.
The pools and recreational areas. Alright, and also a resort map. So we're here at the main elevator in the tower. You just push lobby and it directs you which elevator to go to. So we're going to elevator F. So we're going to the main lobby. It automatically takes you, you don't have to push any buttons over here. Now we're just at the main lobby, one floor up from the Barcelona Lounge. It's so pretty, all decked out. This is the main entrance up here. I just love these bells. When you enter, bell services is going to be to your right. So here in the main lobby, They have plenty of workspaces where you can plug up your device and do a little work. So now we're going to go back down. We're just going to put lower level, lower lobby. It's telling us elevator B. There's plenty of room to sit and also work. Coronado Springs does have a convention center. Plenty of areas to work and also plug up your devices if you're needing to charge your devices. There's areas to plug those up. And how cute is this with the Mickey? This is really peaceful with the fountain. And straight ahead is where the convention center is and the restaurants. Just so warm and inviting with all the holiday decor. This is going to be like your food court style food. They have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Also small bites. And here is the lunch and dinner menu. And the breakfast. And here's the times that they are open. And then you have Rick's Sports Bar and Grill. They also have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here's a quick look at their menu. And it looks like you can also do mobile takeout. Just gotta scan the QR code. And you also have Maya Grill. Let's see if we can take a peek at their menu. It is closed right now, and it looks like they open at 5 and close at 10 p.m. Here's just a quick look at their menu. So now we have just left the main building, and now we're headed to the casitas. I think this area could be a good place to let your kiddos run. Also, I feel like if you're hosting an event here, since this is a convention center as well, this could be a cool area with the lights hanging up above. It's very large. And then you got this beautiful fountain over here. I think this is so warm and inviting. Kind of like the meeting circle of Casitas 1 is that way. Casitas 2 straight ahead, and Casitas 3 to the right. And here is the pool area for the casitas. Another small pool. And we're here at the 3 bridges. And these connect you to every area. If you go straight ahead, it's going to take you to the dig site and also ranchos and cabanas. And then if you can go to the main lobby and also to the casitas area. And here is building 5 casitas. We've actually stayed in this building this time. And I have to say, it was pretty easy to get to everything. The main lobby, as well as the dig site, which was the main pool area. So pals, I think we're gonna call that a wrap. And thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this resort tour here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Have you ever stayed at Coronado Springs? And if so, was it in the tower Or was it in one of the other areas like the Casitas, Ranchos, or Cabana? What did you think about it? We would love to know. And pals, if y'all are interested in planning a Walt Disney World vacation or any vacation, I am a travel planner and would love to help you. So just click those links down in the description box or the QR code at the end of this video. And as always, love the memories you make. And I'm Jessica, and we're Tennessee to Adventure. See you, pals.